Welcome everyone. Today we will see how premium pomegranate juice is made inside a modern factory. Fresh pomegranates arrive from farms and are prepared for processing.
Only the best fruits are selected for high-quality juice. The fruits are washed thoroughly to remove dirt and impurities.
Next, the fruits are opened to access the juicy seeds inside. The seeds are separated carefully to avoid bitterness from the peel.
The seeds are pressed to extract pure pomegranate juice.
The juice is carefully filtered through advanced systems to make it pure, smooth, and clean. Samples are tested to ensure quality, taste, and safety.
The juice is gently pasteurized to preserve freshness. It is then cooled quickly before bottling.
The juice is filled into identical bottles at high speed. Each bottle is sealed to protect freshness. Labels are applied with consistent branding and details. The finished bottles are packed for shipping. Finally, the product is shipped to markets worldwide.
From fresh pomegranates to premium bottled juice, this is how pomegranate juice is made.